Hey guys, welcome to Reduce the Print. Today I'm going to be showing my unboxing of my first order through Drops, a company known for zero waste packaging and a powerful cleaning from nature. I recently got into reducing my carbon footprint and ordering through companies that eliminate waste and single-use items. So today I'm going to go through these boxes, show you what I ordered, and then hopefully I can get you guys a good review on them. So starting with my first, this is all one order, starting with my first box that they sent me. I got a little bit of everything inside. We're going to start with the fabric softener. It's a crisp fall air, also in an all recyclable box. Nothing in here is wasted. Everything can be recycled and compostable. This is also manufactured in the USA. That's a huge perk because anything coming from overseas, you know, that's more pollution in the seas and the airs. So all local, cruelty-free. These are just, like I said, little fabric softeners, little detergents to kind of give your clothes a nice crisp fall air smell. Right here, this is the size of the pods. You just drop one in your load, start it, and you're good to go. One cool thing about Drops, there are no unnecessary chemicals and everything's plant-based ingredients. Everything can be found on their website. It's great, nice small box. I ordered the 4-month supply, so every 4 months I should be getting a shipment. You can also change it if you need more than 25 pods every 4 months. If you need less, you can also change how much you order and how much subscription you can have. I also have here my cold water pouches. My cold water pouches for the fabric softener and also the detergent. They say if you have cold water, the pods may not dissolve as quickly. So you throw your pods inside these cold water pouches, you throw them in your washer, and it'll help them dissolve faster so they're not sticking to your clothes, and it does make sure it gets an equal dissolvable in your washer. They're safe for all machines. It tells you how to use it, as nice instructions. Talks about why you use cold water, about how it's more energy saving, cost saving, clothes last longer, and it skips a dry cleaner. These bags right here can be reusable. They're made of a nice mesh material. Doesn't seem like they rip real easy. Zipper's real nice. As you can see here, when you use the zipper, once you seal it, it looks like you tuck the zipper inside the little sleeve here, and that helps it from not opening when you're washing. Like I said, that's the cold water washing pouch. They didn't cost much. They're only a couple dollars for 2 of them. I think it'd be a great investment. Going to my next box I have in here. It's just a Drops box. Like I said, I haven't been opened, still sealed. Let me go ahead and cut it open here to see what's inside. Again, it's all recyclable tape, everything compostable. So these are my dish detergent pods. It tells you everything on how to do it. Good for grease, stuck on food, no dyes, no phosphates, compatible with all machines, and it's cruelty free. It's also a vegan product, so anybody out there looking to do more of the vegan side of the reducing carbon footprint, this would be great for it. Inside here we have our pods. Again, it shows that it's a recyclable box. Got pods on each side. So with these, saves water, saves time. You know exactly how much you're putting in your dishwasher. All fresh ingredients, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals on your dishes that you will be eating from, your kids will be eating from. That's one thing I like about it. One thing I noticed here, after you close the box, it's got a child safety lock, so it locks. I mean, kids are gonna stay and try to pull this open. Myself, I got 2 young children, so this is great. This is something I could just seal it back up, fold it up, and stick it underneath my sink. I don't have to worry about my kids getting into it, trying to eat the pods. So I think it would be something great to be using. Next, I'm gonna assume it's my laundry detergent pods. Again, as you can see in the box, everything in this box was straight up packaging that the pods and the bags were using. No additional plastic, no additional airbags, bubble wrap, peanuts, none of that stuff that's wasteful. I mean, everything was straight packaging that you need. So for my laundry detergent pods, I ordered the lavender scented. So these should be lavender scented inside. I can already smell them. The lavender eucalyptus, it's real strong smelling, great for your clothes. Again, these are vegan as well. Contains essential oils, good for stains, brighten colors, eliminates odors, and is compatible with all machines. The box here gives you instructions on how to use, lets you do not unwrap or open the pods. I mean, it lets you know to stick them in the cold pouch bags. Also, One thing I like about these, like I said, going back to the compostable and recyclable packaging, I love it. Again, these also have the child lock, just like the dishwasher pods. They're filled inside. They feel nice and not like they're gonna break or dissolve in your hands. Not like typical companies. The big companies, a lot of times you get them and you can just feel they're sticking together. They're breaking in the packaging. You might lose a couple pods. And you also don't know what chemicals is inside normal companies you would buy. These are all natural ingredients. Reducing the water. Most laundry detergents you buy is mostly water. So by ordering these, it saves water, it saves time, and you actually know what's in your product due to the website actually telling you what's in it, the local, the natural ingredients, all that. Again, the child lock is huge. So with all that being said, I think this is a great deal right here just for the laundry detergent pods, stain and odor for them. Saves plastic, that's huge. 68% of the bottles that are recycled aren't even recycled, they're just thrown in waterways. A recent study and this stated on their website that 275 metric tons of the plastic that we think we recycle actually gets thrown in the waterways a year. So just imagine 286,000 1-gallon jugs of laundry detergent end up inside of waterways. I mean, that's pretty much the same weight as a Greyhound bus and another half. So 1.5 Greyhound bus weight would be thrown in plastic, empty plastic bottles inside the waste waterways. Going to my second box here, I also ordered the XL wool balls. These are supposed to help reduce drying time and also keep your clothes wrinkle free. Also here, it advertises drops on the box. It shows the wool, the sheep on the side, talks to XL wool balls on top, with the shipping label that holds the box together. As you open the box, it tells you where they were manufactured in the USA, their website, the company. Cotton Wash is their business name. It also gives you a nice pro tip to let you know that if you put a few drops of essential oil on the dryer balls and toss it in the dryer, it will help your clothes smell better. It will last longer. Also, it tells you reasons to love it. I mean, they reduce drying time, static, wrinkles, last 1,000 loads is how they advertise. Dryer sheets aren't good for the environment. Dryer sheets take a while to decompose, and the chemicals on top of the dryer sheets are not only bad for your skin, but also bad for the environment, so you don't have to worry about that either. Inside, it tells you that they're handmade with 100% New Zealand wool. One thing I did find out from their website, that the sheep in New Zealand are free to graze however they want. They're only sheared one time a year, and the sheep cannot be transported or exported out of the country. So the only thing that comes from the country is the wool. The sheep stay and they're free to graze. So that's one thing huge. The way they shear is not painful, and it's skillfully done by professionals. So the sheep are not harmed during the process. So that's one thing also, if people are against animal cruelty, this would be huge for that. It tells you how to use the balls. It lets you know that the cream is for light loads, the charcoal is for mixed colors, and the black is for your dark clothing. So it says you only use one ball per load, and it tells you it decreases drying time, which conserves energy, and also lowers your utility bill. So kind of give you a size, depends on how big these balls are. I grabbed a lime here out of my kitchen. As you can see, the balls are about double the size of the lime, so obviously they're pretty good sized balls. You throw one in with your dryer, and it should be able to reduce wrinkles and reduce your energy and the time you dry. That's my order today. It really wasn't too expensive order. I think it was only like $50 for everything here. Mostly the balls were $20, $25. That was the most expensive part of the order. The pods, the dishwasher pods and the laundry pods weren't expensive for the 4-month subscription. Like I said, I got the smaller order of them. Looks like I got 64 pods of dish detergent, and I got 56 of the laundry. And like I said, I got the 4-month subscription. So if I determine that I'm going to use more than this in those 4 months, I'll go ahead and up the amount I order, which also makes your price per load cheaper. Or if I think I'm not going through them enough, I might just stretch out my subscription to a 5-month subscription or a 6-month subscription. So you can adjust that. You can also cancel the subscription at any time. Once I start to know more about this about these products, I will come back and write a review and kind of let you guys know what I think about them. I will be posting a link underneath this video on how to order them, where to order them. Just click on the link, look through the page, see what you like, order it. Set a subscription. If you don't like it, cancel it. But I think this is one of the better options. Definitely lower cost, and they 100% recyclable and compostable products. I appreciate you guys checking in today. Thanks for watching Reduce the Print, and I look forward to maybe gaining more followers and doing a review on this product. Thank you.